S30 Pro Mini has been officially outed as the world's first Vivo Hello Kitty smartphone. It is slated to debut alongside the less compact sibling and Sanrio family series gift boxes as a new flat-screen handset later in May 2025. The pending Pro Mini is thought to drive its flat display with updated MediaTek silicon. The S30 Pro Mini will launch as a dopamine in the palm of your hand and not merely because of an up-to-date compact form factor. Vivo has released that the Pro Mini and its larger S30 sibling will complement their new OnePlus 13T-esque look with color options and accessories officially inspired by characters such as Pudding Dog, My Melody, Clomine, and Big Eared Dog, as well as Hello Kitty. Such a trend collaboration is not unheard of, although the S30 Pro Mini is thought to be the first to secure one while also rocking the updated Dimensity 9400E SoC. The rumors pointing out to S30 Pro Mini's potential 13th killer status has yet to be confirmed outright. It is officially slated to land as a flat display as is the S30. This launch will coincide with the launch of the vanilla version of the Vivo Pad 5 Pro and new TWS Air3 earbuds in fruity new colors on May 29, 2025.